It is raining harder and more intensely, and our city is simply not equipped to handle all that water. As we fill the city with buildings and pavements, the rainwater has nowhere to go. This results in flooding and extensive damage to houses, shops and offices, possibly even in your own neighbourhood. Our public sewer system has to process more and more water, but to just keep on increasing its capacity isn't the solution. We have to look further than underground drainage systems and start designing smarter outdoor urban spaces where we can retain and store the rainwater where it falls. Time to rainproof our city. That's why the municipality and WaterNet jointly work on innovative solutions like water retaining streets, water permeable paving, more green zones and water squares. But that's not enough. Rain falls everywhere and everyone can contribute. Around your house, school or office, you can choose a green or water collecting roof, create a small front garden, or place a water barrel or a retention pond on your property. For worst case scenarios, keep the water out by raising your threshold, placing a door barrier or installing a pump in your basement. And why not make good use of the clean rainwater you've collected? Water your garden or flush the toilet with it. All these solutions lead to a smarter and more beautiful city. Visit rainproof.nl for all the information on rainproofing Amsterdam. Our network links information, products and initiatives for everyone who cares about the city. Together we are Amsterdam Rainproof. Every drop counts. See what you can do on rainproof.nl.